Hi dear students, we are starting a new chapter, length, mass and capacity, and we are going to learn metric system. Here we know that for the metric systems we are using different units for each type of measurement with respect to its, of course, unit. For the length we are using as a unit meter, for the mass we are using as a unit gram, for the capacity we are using liter. So with respect to these we are trying to measure the units, but also we have some prefixes, and to understand how much that unit is, these are kilo and centi and milli. When we add the kilo in front of our unit, it means that that's 1,000 times of that unit. 1,000 times of that unit means, if you are talking about the gram, 1 kilogram means 1,000 gram. Okay, what about centimeter? Centimeter is 1/100 of that unit, which means 1 centimeter is 1/100 meter. In another word, 100 centimeter is 1 meter. Also, generally we are using this conversion unit for the conversions. And the last one is milli. Milli means times 1/1000, which means 1 millimeter is 1/100 times 1/1000 times 1 meter, which is also converted 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. Here we are going to continue with the conversion examples, and here while we are converting something we have to be careful about this one also. I need to tell, when we are converting the things, we have two types of conversion: bigger unit to smaller unit, bigger unit to smaller unit means multiply. I'm going to explain what does this multiply mean. Smaller unit to bigger unit means divide. Okay, now we are going to apply it with respect to that one. Firstly, we need to know the conversion units very well, because we need to convert from, let's say here, kilogram to gram. So I need to know the conversion unit between kilogram and gram, and I know this one. 1 kilogram it is equal to 1000 gram. So it means that gram, with respect to that one, I'm understanding that kilogram is bigger than gram, and actually we know that one, and 3.5 kilogram into gram I'm converting, which means I'm converting bigger unit to smaller unit. So bigger unit to smaller unit means you are going to multiply. It means that 3.5 kilogram you are going to multiply by 1000, and you are going to get, because 1 kilogram is 1000 gram, to get the gram form of it. So it's going to be equal to 3500, let's do step by step. 35 times 100, it's going to be, why 35 times 100? Because when you move the decimal point 1 unit right, it means that you're going to cancel from the product, one of the product, 1 0. So here the expression is going to be 3500 gram. Okay, 230 centimeter into meter we are going to do. 230 centimeter we are converting to meter. So this means that smaller unit to smaller to bigger, which means we are going to divide. And I'm going to change the color here with respect to This is the second exercise. This was the first exercise. This is the second exercise. Let's continue with that one. Okay, what does it mean? I'm converting, and I know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So I'm going to convert smaller unit to bigger unit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to divide by 100. So 230 divided by 100 I'm going to find, and it's going to be equal to, I will simplify the zeros, 23 divided by 10, and you know the division by 10, you are going to bring the decimal into expression, and how many zeros we have? 1 0, so 1 decimal point from right to left. Okay, that's 2.3 meter it's going to be. The last one, 1.9 liter to milliliter. So here the 1 liter, it's going to be equal to 1000, or let me write like this, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter. With respect to this one, 1000 liter, if it is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, it means that while you are converting liter to milliliter, you are going to multiply again. So a bigger unit, 1.9 times 1000 it's going to be, and that's going to be equal to, here again we have the decimal, so I'm simplifying by 119 times 100 it's going to be, which is equal to 1900 milliliter is going to be. Okay, we have more exercises. We are going to continue these in the class.